The last thing I'm going to go through with you on strings is substrings. And when we work with text files, substrings are going to become a very critical part to working with strings. So let's review that in a string, every character has its own index number. So here in the M is 0, R is 1, the space is 2, etc., etc., etc. Let's say I wanted to cut it in half and have the Kessel show up. So the K starts at the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th position. 5th position. So I'm going to call it substring demonstration. And it's going to be, let's find the name of the label, substring label, very good. Substring label dot text equals example dot substring, and then since that's at the 5th position, we're going to pull in the 5. We're going to pull in the 5. I'll show you the run. It started at the 5th position and printed the rest of the word. Very good. Now, where Visual Basic is a little bit different than Java is if I hit a comma in Java, it asks you for the end position. Here, it asks for the length. So let's just say we wanted the letter K to show up by itself. We give it a length of 1, which I show you. That makes the K by itself show up. If I wanted a little bit more to show up, I give it a length of 3. That should make KES show up, which it did. Really, the only other thing is there really isn't anything else to show you. What we will see is as we're working through bringing in files from a text file, which we'll do, we're going to be using substring quite a bit to divide things up and then create what's known as an array of strings. But it's not too scary. It's just dividing the string up and deleting the spaces. Or deleting the characters in between that are able to make it divide up. You will see. Just know that this is where you want to start. And then this is the length of the string you want after that particular character.